Hello guys, welcome to my topics and welcome to my YouTube channels. Today is my topics collection. So I'm going to discuss about today adding custom object to a tree set and how can you add the object in tree set and how can you perform the sorting on the basis of customized sorting. As you want, we can sort the data. For example, suppose we want to create a tree set. This is the tree set and this is the book object, and we want to get the output in the ascending orders on the basis of price. So how can you do this? So if you can do now, if you have a right reset of the book, so this object is only store homogeneous data of the book type only. So new tree set of the book, we are creating the one object of the tree set collection, and now you are going to store book 1, book 2 and book 3. So all these are the book you are going to create and just add this on this tree set collections, and now you have to perform the operation on this. Then Java will throw class exception. Why? Because book is your class, and the comparable tree set having a some region. If you want to store the object in the tree set, the if you want to store the object in tree set, the class object must be implementing the comparable interface. Otherwise, class exception will throw. Okay, so next slide I'm going to discuss about in details why did this happen. Class exception. So this is because of any object which you add to the tree set created using the default constructors, and then two conditions must be compulsorily satisfied. Okay, so it's a compulsory satisfied, and the object added must be the homogeneous. This is the first condition. Second is the object must be the implementing comparable. Class must implement java.line.comparables. And in our case, so this is the two condition you have to satisfy, then only you can insert the object in TreeSet class. Okay, now in our case the first condition is satisfied since book has not implemented the comparable. So in this example your book class is not implemented comparable interface, that's why class exception is thrown. I hope it is clear. Now I am going to discuss about its rights. And now to solve the above exception problem, we must implement the comparable interface in our book class. Then only your data will be stored in tree set. Next slide. How we can override compare to. So compare to is a method. It available in the comparable interface. Okay, since we can store our own object also in the tree set, which provides automating sorting when you insert the elements. It means that if you implement the comparable interface, this is, and you can for example you have a book class, so book class is implementing the comparable interface, so you have to override the method called compare to and just do this. And in other way we can also do this through the comparator and compare methods. Okay, so you read this one more times and understand what is this. Everything I'm going to give you details, so pause this video and just read this throughout. Okay, so you have a two way to sort the data in customized order. For example, if you want to sort your order, so here you have to learn most of the class implement comparable to implement natural order. So comparable interface will give you the natural ordering sorting, but comparator is give you, this is the comparator object, and this is the give you for the customized sorting as you want to sort. Okay, new programming challenge. If you can do this, really you are good in Java, and really you are good in also collection. So do this, don't forget it to doing, and it is one of the very interview questions on the programming language for the experience level also, and Princer also learned this for the habituating the how to do this real life coding. Okay, so this is the real life examples of the coding. If you do this, really you are very good. A bookstore contains a collection of the books where each book has a name, author and price. Write a program which does the following. You have to perform three operations. This is 1, 2 and 3. First is the bookstore want to maintain a unique collection of the book. Okay, if you want to store the unique only, it should not accept a book if it is already present. You don't want to store the duplicate, you want to only project unique, not duplicate. Retrieval of the book should be an efficient way. Good. Now print the details of the books in the ascending order on the basis of the price. Good, it's a customized orders. Now how can you change natural sort order? So first is, if you are not satisfied with the default natural order sorting, for example, if you want to sort the strings descending orders, then we can define our own customized sorting using the java.util.comparator. And second is, so the conclusion is that java.lang.comparable is for default natural sorting and java.util.comparator is for customized sorting. So remember this, both are for the different, both are same doing, but something is difference. It is for customized, it is for natural. Okay, the comparator interface is used to order the objects user defined classes. This interface is found in java.util.package and contains two methods. These are equals and compares. We have to override. Okay. Now syntax of the compares methods. Publics int compare object 1 and object 2, we can compare this. So you have to learn this and just understand this is returning value 0, 1, -1. Important points regarding the comparator. So comparator will sort your object in the customized order. It is the important things. When you are using the comparator, the object need not compulsorily comparable. Also, when you are using the comparator, the object need not be homogeneous. We can compare homogeneous object also. Good. HashSet and TreeSet. What is the difference between HashSet versus TreeSet? The HashSet is much faster than TreeSet as it has a constant time for most operation like add, remove and contains, but offer no ordering guarantee like TreeSet. We can do it. So none of the classes are the synchronized, that is if multiple threads access to the continuously and tree of the thread modify. So we can do it easily. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks. I am going to upload new video for the map collection and it is the very interesting. Don't forget to watch it. Thank you so much.